Mock trial is an incredible way for you to discover yourself as a student, as an artist, and also as a team member.
Is your favorite place to be after school?
It's an incredible opportunity to learn about the complexities of the law and also make friendships that last a lifetime.
Mock trial is my sports team.
It's an opportunity to actively engage with legal material.
My OCSA family.
Mock trial is an innovative, engaging, and often life-changing civic education program
that combines performance-based, law-related education with tournament-style academic competition.
High school students working with volunteer attorney coaches and teacher coaches analyze the facts of a hypothetical criminal court case,
prepare trial strategy, and enact the trial as either members of the prosecution or defense.
The teams present their cases in real courtrooms in front of real judges, competing against other schools.
The benefits I've received from mock trial is having that family-like atmosphere. I've also learned to be confident in a courtroom in front of real lawyers and real judges.
I'm able to nerd out over the law and not be judged and have other people who want to nerd out with me.
One benefit that I've gained from mock trial is gaining more confidence in terms of public speaking.
Mock trial took me out of my comfort zone and introduced me to new challenges which pushed me to be the best version of myself that I could possibly be.
I intend to go into law school after I graduate, and I've learned so much about law from our attorney coaches. I've also just vastly improved my public speaking skills. So I'd say all of those are definitely credits to mock trial.
Has strengthened my oration skills overall, which I use all of the time in my college career. Whether I'm having to deliver a verbal argument in a classroom discussion or as an oral examination, the confidence and skills that mock trial has given me have been instrumental in my success.
What OCSA parent sends their kid to OCSA so they can join a mock trial team? But after watching her experience firsthand and becoming a coach of the mock trial program, I can tell you for certain how wonderful it is to watch how these kids take their talents and apply them to the mock trial program. These kids are learning invaluable skills through this that they can take with them beyond OCSA into college and the real world. And I love watching them learn how they can take their creativity and their artistic skill and translate it into something they can use beyond OCSA.
Mock trial has allowed me to feel like I'm a part of a team because we all work together. I put in my part and everyone else puts in their part. We are one big family working at one huge goal.
Especially being at OCSA, I was really looking for a place where I could be a part of a team and be a part of something special with a group of people who shared the same passions and goals as me. And mock trial was there, and it was exactly what I was looking for. Especially walking into the courtroom with a group of artists who you love so much, it is so empowering to watch your friends and your teammates go up there and perform and see all of your hard work pay off.
Mock trial made me feel like I was able to pursue my love of performing, because that's what it is. Although you do have to prepare and study for the case, much of the competition is delivery and presentation. In this way, mock trial allowed me to use my performing skills in the courtroom.
Mock trial allowed me to pursue my love of performance in an entirely new way, as I was able to develop characters and make discoveries that I otherwise wouldn't have gotten to do, which really benefited me as a person and as an artist.
A pretrial attorney is someone who uses cases from past trials in order to convince a judge to either exclude or admit a piece of evidence. Pretrial attorneys need to not only be well prepared, but quick on their feet. Most of pretrial work is responding to the judge's questions with case-based arguments.
But even if the court is inclined to find that Desi Kuensler had no authority to give valid consent to Detective Eisenberg to search the office, Detective Eisenberg still would have searched the office with the objectively reasonable belief that Desi Kuensler could give valid consent.
I've been a trial attorney for the past 3 years. As a trial attorney, you are working with every element of the team. You are working with witnesses to create effective direct examinations. You are also working to create cross-examinations to question the other team's witnesses.
The defendant also had the opportunity to send the text to tip.
The defendant admits to being on the flip phone that sent the text to Tip on the night of the swatting, despite having her own phone just in the other room. The defendant was the only person around the phone by themselves the entire night.
If you're looking to primarily act and perform on the team, then the witness role is perfect for you. First off, you will analyze and memorize the facts and details of your witness statement. The next step is to embody the witness. It is up to you and the guidance of your team to determine how you will portray the witness in court. Lastly, witnesses work directly with lawyers and are questioned at the witness stand in court. As a witness, your job is to help answer questions, and you will answer cross-examination and direct examination questions coming from prosecution and defense lawyers.
Two roles that people tend to take for granted are the bailiff and the clerk. The bailiff is something like the judge's right-hand man. They're in charge of maintaining order in the courtroom, knowing all of the rules, and making sure that the trial goes smoothly. A good bailiff is one that holds themselves with confidence, knowing that they're relied upon to keep the team fundamentally sound in their strategy. The clerk's job is to make sure our team stays on track to finish their case in the allotted time frame. A clerk that excels in quick math and has a strong grasp of the rules of the competition can provide an insurmountable advantage in the competitions. The clerk and the bailiff provide a critical safety net to keep our team from making mistakes.
I've spent my entire career in the justice system with 20 years in the trial courts as a prosecutor and judge. I can say with confidence that the mock trial program is the most realistic courtroom experience that can be had by someone not actually arrested for a crime. By the end of the season, OCSA Mock Trial team members will have mastered a law school level curriculum taught by a dedicated team of teachers and attorney volunteers, gaining expertise in criminal law, evidence, courtroom procedure, and the Constitution. And beyond any doubt, it's lots of fun.
Our mock trial program has been so successful because of the dedication and collaborative work of our students. A high level of commitment is essential to building a strong and competitive mock trial team.
Some level of sacrifice is involved in any elite program, and mock trial is no different. We can be flexible in some circumstances, but we expect that any participants make mock trial a top priority.
While mock trial does conflict with fall shows, and you can't be in a fall show and mock trial at the same time, performance-wise, mock trial gives me a rush that being on a stage has never given me before.
We practice every Friday after school and Saturday mornings, and our competition dates are Tuesday and Thursday nights in November, with playoffs extending into December. If you know that you have a conflict on Tuesday and Thursday evenings in the fall, mock trial's probably not for you. The week of August 4th to the 7th, we're going to hold auditions over Zoom. That's the week before school starts. On July 28th, you'll actually be able to sign up for an audition slot, and you'll get the audition packet on Classroom.
This packet will include tips for preparing a powerful audition and the tasks that you need to prepare for your audition. Don't worry about these tasks yet. We fully explain what you need to do, and we will even hold a mini boot camp on August 1st that will help you understand the various tasks and prepare well for your audition.
Remember, you don't need to know anything about mock trial or law to be successful in this program. Just present your best self at auditions, and we'll learn the rest together along the way.
Be sure to join Google Classroom so that you don't miss any mock trial communications. And join us on Zoom on Tuesday, May 26th from 4:30 to 5:30 so you can get any of your last questions answered. See you there!
I would describe the friendships I formed in mock trial as unforgettable. All the memories I associate with being on this team are joyful because of all the amazing people I've met.
To be able to walk into an environment and know that everybody there loves you and cares about you is incredible.
My favorite memory of mock trial was probably when everyone chipped in to celebrate my birthday, which happened to fall on a practice day, and I felt so loved and welcomed by my team.
When you are spending 5+ hours with people a week, you tend to have some pretty interesting experiences. I remember a time last year when we had a paper airplane contest, which was definitely interesting. I'd say that the friendships I've formed on mock trial will definitely be some of the most valuable I've formed in all of high school.
I met two of my best friends through the mock trial program. I am so glad that I participated because I never would have met them otherwise. I love my team, and I wouldn't trade them for anything else.